So we start all of our classes with the baby signing time song. And this is a song that all babies seem to really love. And it's very easy. So the signs that we need are baby, and then we need signing, and we need time. We'll need together, and then find. So it's like an F, and you find something on the ground, you pick it up. Together you and I will find. You can share what's on your mind. So you'll see they repeat that quite a bit. So often I will do it, I'll only sign when the adults are singing and not when the kids are singing, but you're welcome to do whatever you want. All right, so let's give it a whirl. Here we go.
Baby, baby, baby signing time. Baby, baby, baby signing time.
So
Together you and I will find baby signing time. You can share what's on your mind.
So we skip this part.
Baby, baby, baby signing time. Baby, baby, baby signing time. Together you and I will find baby signing time. You can share what's on your mind. Baby signing time.
So we'll skip this one.
Baby signing time.
Then last time.
Baby, baby, baby signing time.
Very good. All done.